Hello kids, so in previous class we had gone through the poem The Mouse in the House. So there while reading the story, while reading that poem each and every stanza, we came to know that some rhyming words are there. So today we are going to write the rhyming words and writing the poem by using our rhyming words. So what are these rhyming words? Previously also we discussed in many. So you have to identify the rhyming words. You want to write them in your S3. So today we are going to discuss about S2 and S3 here. Writing the rhyming words already we discussed basing on the end of the words, the blends which are there. So if we say ask, so there is a word like task, mask. So whatever the word ending, so basing on that our rhyming word will be there. Okay, so sometimes the rhyming words they just base on the pronunciation. So if we go through the pronunciation, the words like ONE1, WON1, 1. So they both have the same pronunciation. So some words though they don't have the same ending, they might have the same pronunciation, then also they become the rhyming words. So basing on that, you want to suppose write the rhyming word. So basing on the ending of the word already you have written from your first and second classes. So let us see our yes to the rhyming words here, what you want to do. So find the rhyming words from both the boxes and write them below. So here whatever the rhyming words are there, basing on that you want to check and you want to write. So given first one is sand and bland. Sand and bland. So try to connect the words which are having the same pronunciation in the ending and try to write the rhyming words. So you want to write the first one, the rhyming words. Now second one is writing three more rhyming words. They had given the words like wheat, fruit, blue. So for these words, you want to write three more rhyming words and then you want to complete your yes2, that is on rhyming words of your own. So try to find out, you want to identify the rhyming words in the first question and you want to write, but coming to the second question, you want to write the rhyming words on your own. So now coming to the next one, we have to write a poem using the rhyming words. How to use these rhyming words and how to write. So previously if you observed that mouse lesson, so there is a rhythmic way of writing the poem. So some stanzas are said like that, something we need. Okay, so there is something, what if we see there is a mouse. So there is a mouse in the house. I need, so you need something and you don't want, not a dash. So if we take these, we can say that there is something in something and we need something and we don't want something. So what do we want and what we don't want actually? Basing on this, whatever the rhyming words we want, we can take them. Okay, so if we can take anything, any animals or something. So I can take that there is a cow. So in the row, a cow in the row. So for that I need a stick. So I want to make it go from there. So I want a stick, not a Fevikwik. Not a Fevikwik. So whatever we want, we can write it just by using the rhyming words. Similarly, I can say that something else I need. What do I need? What do I need? So basing on what we need and what we don't need, what is there and where it is. So for that we want to think about some things which we can guess about, and basing on them we want to find the rhyming words, any two words. So these are the things where they can be. There is dash, in the dash where can this can be there. What can it hold? So basing on that we want to guess. Now I need a dash, not a dash. So what we need for that and what we don't need for that. What we need for that and what we don't need. So basing on that we want to try to frame the rhyming words. Now if we see some rhyming words like that, so normally what do the children like? They like the doll. So normally they like the doll. So I can say that there is a doll. There is a doll. Where can we keep the doll? I can keep the doll in the hall. So I can say that in the hall. So there is a doll in the hall. So I need what? So for the doll, I need a dress. I need a dress, not a press. Not a press. So press means the press people, the magazines, whatever are there, for that we need press. So the thing which I am having, there is a doll in the hall. So a doll is there in the hall and I need a dress, not a press. So children, to write the poems like this, actually we must have imagination power or the ability of creativeness and the creativity. So the creativity of yours improves only when you try to use it. So if you try to use and you try to guess some words like this, then only you will be able to write the poem. All the poets, all the people, those who are writing these stories, and everyone, they have the imagination power, they have the creativity only by using the thinking more and more and more. So try to think yourself. Try to think yourself. If you try to think yourself more, then you can do miracles. So try to think how to write a poem. Don't write the same in your textbook, in your volume, whatever it might be. Try to guess yourself. Try to find some things and what rhyming word they can have. Even you can see some words. Chair, hair, fire. So like this, whatever are there around you, basing on that, you can find and you can write the rhyming words and where they can be. Now if you see your volume page number 17. Now try to see, fill in the blanks with rhyming words for your own poem. See, what is the thing and where is the thing? So what is the thing? So here we can say that mouse is the thing which is there in the house. Mouse is the thing which is there in the house. Now what do you need? You need a cat, not a hat. In the same way, what thing you need, you just try to write yourself and where the thing is there, the place you want to write. What? The name of something, give an information here. Where means the place where it can stay. So the second one, you must write only the places. So what do you need? So what we need for that, basing on the thing we had taken, we want to write that one. And also what you don't need, also you want to write. Anything you can write which you don't need actually. So in this way, if you try to frame your own rhyming words, then you will be able to write the second poem basing on that first one. You want to use the rhyming words from the above table to write the 2 new stanzas of your own poem. So you want to write your own poem. Check that you must not write whatever I had written on the board, and try to use your creative skills. Imagine yourself, whatever it might be. Think that a thing and a place must be there. And for the thing, what do you actually need for that thing? Basing on that, you want to write it. Okay. So try to complete it and send it through WhatsApp. Okay, children. Thank you.